Hi, my name is Evgenia, or Eve, and I'm an associate family law lawyer with Drake Law. Today I want to talk to you about the difference between property rights for common law couples as opposed to property rights for married couples. In general, for married couples, when one spouse has, for example, an investment property which is not the matrimonial home, or other assets such as an RSP, for example, a pension, or an interest in a business, the growth of that asset would be equalized at the end of the relationship, meaning that the other spouse would generally have an interest or share into the growth of the value of those assets. This is not the same for common law people. Common law people don't have what is called statutory property rights or equalization rights. To give you an example of what that looks like, if there are two spouses who are married and one has an investment property such as an apartment, and that property was worth $100,000 at the beginning of the marriage, and then it's worth $200,000 at the end of the marriage. So that $100,000 increase would have to be shared by the two spouses. However, if those spouses were never married and they remained common law the whole time, generally the second spouse will not have a right to the increase in value of the first spouse's property. If you'd like to find out more about what your rights and obligations are when you're going through a separation, I invite you to reach out to Drake Law for a consultation with one of our lawyers who will be happy to provide you with further information so that you may protect yourself and make an informed decision about your future.